posting content about this here stuff I do. And right now I'm about to do a podcast. So welcome to the podcast. Hey guys, it's Bruce. Welcome to ConvoCourses podcast. And we're going to continue. And I think this is going to be the last part of our continuous series about nist CSF. I figured the best way to teach you guys about GRC, governance, risk, and compliance, is to show you, to walk you through a well-known framework. And so this framework, unlike many other frameworks, is made so that it's flexible. You can apply it to any kind of system, medium, large, small, in any kind of industry. And we're on we're on the last part of the functions within the NIST TSF. If you've been following along, we talked about govern, we talked about identify, protect, we talked about detect, we talked about response, and now we're going to talk about recover. So let's get into this. All right. And if you have questions for me about getting into GRC, about getting into cyber, if you happen to be an IT professional, that's my specialty. I can show you how to get into this. Hold your questions till after this. Take me about 15 minutes and then get your questions ready in that time.